What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now I'm at a single family residence that was previously a duplex on the southwest end of Canton, Ohio. Our partners are thinking about purchasing this, but first we are in the evaluation process just to make sure the numbers are correct. So we're gonna have our contractors meet us here shortly to give us some numbers on what it's gonna take to get this property in tip-top shape. For those of you out there who may own property in the Akron, Canton area, be sure to keep us in mind if you have a property that needs some rehab like this one. As you can see, this property is definitely gonna need a full gut job, a full remodel. We do buy properties in as-is condition. We do pay cash and we can close quickly, 30 days or less. So if you want to give us a call, the number is 330-685-2220, or you can just visit the website for some more information on us, www.investparamount.com.